Hey guys, I just got to South Coast Plaza. There's a little car meet going today on Sunday. We're gonna go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get going. What a sick blacked out Rolls. Nothing like a convertible Porsche. Now, we're into some nice cars. I kid, these cars are all nice. Nothing like a butterfly door. My favorite Japanese car, GTR.
And now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening.
Beautiful blue and gray carbon. Just beautiful.
People watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the frying.
And this just absolutely stunning CCX.
Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
Just sitting outside the meet, the new Vet, a nice Focus RS, and a couple Porsches. And these guys sitting out here, it's beautiful. Found an olive drab Model 3, and it's rocking our favorite brand, Unplugged Performance. This is so awesome to be able to see a first-gen Tesla Roadster. I love these things. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna head home. This is just a real short video about these cars that my brother found out about, and we decided to come out, just check it out real quick. I'll see you guys in the next video.